Hello, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to rotate video in Shotcut. As you can see, video is filmed vertically. I want to rotate it horizontally. Also, I don't need the right and the left sides of video. Also, I'm going to zoom in the center of video. So let's begin. Open Shotcut. Type any project name. Drag the video file into playlist, then in timeline. Now go to filters and add rotate and scale. Make rotation 90 degrees. Scale it if you want that video would fit in the full screen. If you want to move the video to any side, use X offset or Y offset. Also, you can crop video with crop filter, but in this situation, zoom in is better for me. Now you can export video if you're satisfied with the final result. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.